Are you tired of working long hours and still feeling like you're barely scraping by? Yeah, I've been there. It can feel like you're stuck on a hamster wheel, right? But what if I told you there's a way to make serious cash, like $1,000 a month or more, all by using AI? And no, I'm not talking about some crazy science fiction stuff. I'm talking about practical tools you can start using today. Stick around, because in this video, I'm diving deep into the 5 AI tools that have the potential to completely change your financial game in 2025. We're going to break down exactly how these tools work, and most importantly, how you can use them to boost your income. First up, we've got ChatGPT, and honestly, this thing is a game changer. Think about all the writing that happens online every single day. Blog posts, website copy, marketing materials, even emails. ChatGPT can do it all, and honestly, it can do it scarily well. Freelancers are already capitalizing on this, offering their ChatGPT skills on platforms like Fiverr and Upwork, and absolutely crushing it. I've seen people making hundreds, even thousands of dollars per project by using ChatGPT to write high-quality content. The best part? You don't need to be some kind of Shakespeare to make this work. Just a little creativity and a willingness to learn the ropes, and you're good to go. Next up, let's talk about Pictory. This tool is a goldmine for creating awesome videos without a Hollywood budget. It's drag, drop, and you're basically Spielberg. Businesses need engaging video content for websites, social media, and YouTube. With Pictory, create professional videos from scratch. Upload a script, let Pictory work its magic, and boom, high-quality video. Earn $500, $1,000, or more per month with Pictory. Chapter 3. Midjourney, design your way to big bucks. Okay, artists and design enthusiasts, this one's for you. Midjourney creates stunning visuals and businesses love it. From social media graphics to website designs, demand is high. You don't need to be Picasso to cash in. Midjourney makes it easy to create professional designs in minutes. Sell your designs on Etsy or Redbubble, or offer your services directly to businesses. With Midjourney, you'll be amazed at how much you can make. Chapter 4. Jasper AI, the ultimate content machine. Now let's talk about Jasper AI, another incredible tool for all my content creators out there. We're talking ad copy that converts like crazy, product descriptions that make people hit that buy now button, and even full-blown articles that rank on Google. It's like having a whole team of writers at your fingertips, 24/7. Imagine working with e-commerce businesses to optimize their product listings. Those conversions go up, their sales skyrocket, and you get a nice cut of the profits. Or, how about running an affiliate marketing blog where Jasper does the heavy lifting on the content creation? The possibilities are pretty much endless. Chapter 5. DALL-E. Turn text into treasure with AI art. Last but definitely not least, we have DALL-E. This AI is straight up magic. You literally type in what you want to see, and DALL-E creates it as a unique image. No, really. Artists and marketers are already all over this, using it to create original artwork for everything from posters and NFTs to book covers and album art. The best part? The monetization potential here is huge. You can sell your DALL-E creations as digital downloads, prints, merchandise, you name it. Get creative, explore the possibilities, and watch the money roll in. Outro, unlock your earning potential with AI. So, there you have it. 5 incredible AI tools that can help you unlock a whole new level of income in 2025. And the best part? You don't need to be a tech genius or have a ton of money to get started. All you need is a willingness to learn and the hustle to make it happen. Which tool are you most excited to try? Let me know in the comments below. And hey, while you're at it, hit that like button and subscribe to the channel so you don't miss out on any more money-making tips. See you in the next video.